Hello, good evening students. How are you all? So in the last class we were doing the triangles and we have completed all of the topics in that triangle. So today what we are going to do, we are going to revise all the chapters what we have done so far. Now only in our syllabus 2-3 chapters are left. One is the construction, statistics and probability. These 3 chapters are there which are left. We will start from the next class. So today we are going to revise whatever we have done so far. So I will give you questions from all the top chapters, one or two questions from all the chapters. So you will get a quick idea about what we are going to do. Okay. So let us start with the very first question. Let us practice some of the questions from trigonometry. Then we will go with polynomial equations and so on. So try this first question. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Find the side of triangle. First question from the trigonometry. Equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Inscribed means the triangle is inside the circle. Okay, CC4 center, tell me the answer quickly. Use the concept of trigonometry and equilateral triangle to solve this one. and those who have done the first one, you can try the second one also. We have to find the value. Give the responses. Tamenglong Center, Sisipur, Senapati. That's correct, Tamenglong. The answer for second question is 1. Solve the first one also. It's not 4 root 3. See, equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 6. So you can draw a circle first of radius 6 centimeter, and the equilateral triangle is inside it like this. This is the equilateral triangle, and the radius is 6, so this length is of 6, and this is also 6. We have to find the side. So what we can do, if we draw one perpendicular like this, so perpendicular in a, or you can say this, let's say the name of the triangle is ABC. So BC is the chord, and perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord, we know. So let's say OD is the perpendicular, so BD is equal to DC. Now we have to check. You can see if you join OA also, OA, OB and OC are the radius of a circle, and since it is an equilateral triangle, so it will divide the triangle into 3 equal parts, and this OB will work as the angle bisector of triangle ABC. Now since ABC is a equilateral triangle, the angles of this triangle are 60 degree. And OB is the angle bisector, so this angle will be 30 degree. Or you can also understand this way, these 3 triangles, like this will be 120, this will be 120, and this will be 120, because in the center 360 degrees divided into 3 parts, so this will be 60. In either way you can tell. Now in triangle OBD, this triangle, we know OB is 6. Now we just have to find BD and double of that BD. So we can say BD is nothing but OB cos 30 degree. So OB is 6, cos 30 is root 3 over 2, which is 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 is BD. So complete side is BC, and BC is nothing but double of BD. So double of 3 root 3 is 6 root 3. That is the answer. This is the side of the equilateral triangle. They can also ask you to find the area for equilateral triangle. So we can also do the area. Area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 side square. Right now side is 6 root 3. So that is the final answer. Not 4 root 3. Is this clear to all? Senapati, Tamenglong, Sisipur? Is this clear? Okay, that's great. Now let us move on to the second question. Second question is a quite simple one. You just have to use the concept of complementary angle, trigonometric ratios complementary. Cos 58 over sin 32. You can see 58 plus 32 makes 90 degree. So you can convert cos 58 can also be written as cos of 90 minus 32. Minus root 3 times this cos 38 and cosec 52. Again the same concept. Cos can be converted into sine. So this cos 38, again cos 38 can be written as cos of 90 minus 52 we can write, keeping cosec 52 as it is. And 10, 15 and 75 makes 90 degree. So this can be written as 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. 10, 60 direct value root 3 and 10, 75. So this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. Cos 90 minus 32 is nothing but sin 32 over sin 32 minus cos 90 minus 52 is sin 52 into cosec 52, and 10 90 minus 75 is cot 75. Now sin 32 and sin 32 will get cancelled out, so we'll get 2 from here. Sin into cosec is 1 and cot into tan is also 1, so this will be completely 1. So 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. 1 is the final answer. Try this question now. Find x. What is the answer for this one? Based on the similar triangle, this is a trapezium. Try to apply the property of the trapezium, like diagonals of a trapezium are proportional, bisects proportional, or divide proportional to each other. Quickly do this. Sisipur, do it fast. How many students are present in each class today? Just give me an idea. Tell me the count of students present. Yes, Itanagar, now you have responded after so much time. That's correct. What about others? Please give your responses fast. You will get it. You will get it. Yesterday was your test. You will get your result quickly. Soon. This is the question based from the boat and stream. Oh, Sisipur, only 3 students are present. Itanagar, how many students are present? And Tamenglong Senapati, tell me the number of students present in your class today. Okay, in all the classes there are 3 students present. Senapati, what about you? Okay, so talking about the second question, those who have completed the second, they can start the third one. I am solving the second question. It says that AB parallel to CD. If it is parallel to CD, it means it's a trapezium, and we know diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. It means this OD over OB, that is equal to OC over OA. Smaller upon larger is equal to smaller upon larger. So you just have to do OD is 4 over x minus 4 is equal to x minus 3 over 3x minus 19. Now just solve this equation by using the cross multiplication. It will be a quadratic one. Simplify it. So when we are cross multiplying, we will get 4 times 3x 12x minus 76 is equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. So it will be x square minus 7 and minus 12, that is minus 19x, and this will be 76 plus 12, 88, and it can be factorized at x minus 11 into x minus 8. So x can be either 11 or 8. Now after getting 11 or 8, you have to check whether this will satisfy this equation or not, question or not. Both 11 and 8, for this one x minus 3 will be positive and x minus 4 will be positive, and 3x minus 19 also will be positive. So 11 and 8 both will work. So 2 answers for x are there. Now solve the third question based on the system of equation, and concept is boat and stream. A boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 km downstream in 7 hours. It also covers 40 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. Find speed of boat in still water and the speed of stream. Tamenglong, in question number 2, it was given that AB parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, one of the opposite side is parallel, it means it's a trapezium. And the property of the trapezium is that diagonals divide each other proportionally. AC and BD are the diagonal, they are intersecting at point O, so their respective parts are proportional. It means OD upon OB, that is equal to OC upon OA. This is the relation of this is always valid in trapezium. Now I have just substituted the values. All the 4 parts are given. So I have substituted like this. Now I have done the cross multiplication. So we will get this equation. On simplifying, we will get a quadratic equation, x square minus 19x plus 88. This can be factorized easily as 11 and 8. So x minus 11 and x minus 8. So from here we are getting x is equal to either 11 or 8. Both will satisfy. This is the way. So you should remember properties of the trapezium. Whenever this type of question is there, diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. That is the rule which you have to remember. Is this clear, Tamenglong, now? Okay, now try the next one, third question. What is the answer you are getting? CC4, Itanagar, Tamenglong, Senapati. Are you able to do this question or you need help? That's correct, Itanagar. Perfect answer. 10 and 2. See, all of you, please start solving questions. You are not replying today. You are not solving the questions. It says that boat covers 32 km upstream and 36 downstream in 7 hours. We have to find the speed of boat in still water and speed of steam. So what we can do, we can assume, let's say the speed of boat in still water is equal to x and speed of water or speed of steam is equal to y. So the downstream means when the boat and the water both are going in the same direction. So downstream speed is nothing but addition of these two, and upstream when boat and river are going in the opposite direction, that is x minus y. Now 32 km downstream and 32 upstream and 36 downstream in 7 hours. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So in this 7 hours, 7 is equal to time taken by both upstream and downstream. Time taken by upstream, time is distance upon speed. So distance over speed plus time taken in downstream, distance over speed. This is the first equation. In the same way, the second equation is 40 km upstream. So 40 over x minus y, distance upon speed, plus 48 over x plus y, and this is going to be 9. So what we have to do, we just have to solve these two equations. Now these equations are form of the reducible to simpler form. So what we can consider over here, we can consider that let 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. So your equations will become 32a plus 36b is equal to 7 and 40a plus 48b is equal to 9. Now we just have to simplify these equations, solving these equations, finding the value of a and b, and after getting a we will equate it to 1 over x minus y and 1 over x plus y, and from that we can find the value of x and y. So this one I am leaving for you. You can solve this one now. Finally your answer will going to be x will be equal to 10 and y will be equal to 2. 10 km per hour and 2 km per hour. These are the two equations. We have to find the value of k such that the system has no solution. Find the value of k which will satisfy the system for no solution. There are three conditions you should remember. One is for unique solution, second one is for no solution, third is for infinitely many solution. No CC4, that is not the right answer. That's correct. Yes, Itanagar, correct answer. For no solution, you all know that ratio of A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, should not be equal to C1 upon C2. That should be the condition for no solution. No, Senapati, that's not right. See, now A1 is 3k plus 1 over A2 k square plus 1, that is equal to B1 over B2, and that should not be equal to 2 over 5. So we can solve these two, equate these two to solve for k. Just start with this one, the cross multiplication. So when we cross multiply this one, this will become 3k square minus 6k plus k minus 2 is equal to 3k square plus 3. So this 3k square will get cancelled out, and minus 6 plus k minus 5k is equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. So k is equal to minus 1. Now we have to check, on substituting k is equal to minus 1, it should not be equal to 2 by 5. So when we put minus 1, 3 over minus 3, so that ratio would become minus 1. So because when we check for minus 1, in this one also we should check. So 3 over minus 1 minus 2, 3 over minus 3, that is also minus 1. So, and this is not equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, it satisfies the condition k should be equal to minus 1. If suppose on putting k is equal to minus 1, we are getting this ratio as 2 over 5, which is equal to C1 upon C2, then we will say for none of the values of k, it will never have no solution. This will be the answer, minus 1. Sisipur, Senapati, is this clear? 19 upon 2 or 32, that's not the right answer. Okay then. Now try one of the question from polynomial. Obtain all zeros of fx. Fx is equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Find all zeros of this polynomial. Just use the rational root theorem. and first factor you can figure out by hit and trial, and then you can do the long division, and then you can get a quadratic one, and then factorize. Three zeros will be there, Kohima. Your answer is one of the zero, that is correct. Find the other two zeros also. What are the other zeros? Senapati, it will have three zeros. It's a cubic. It will have three zeros. Find the other zeros also. See, one of the zeros, if you check for x equal to -1, f of -1 cube, -1 whole square. So this will be -1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20, and this is going to be 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Yes, Itanagar, that's right. Now, if x plus 1 is a factor, you can do the long division. So, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 dividing by x plus 1. So, it will get x square times x cube plus x square 13 minus 1, 12x square plus 32x. So multiplying by 12x, it will get 12x square plus 12x. Again subtracting. This will get cancelled, it will get 20x plus 20, and this will be plus 20. So 20x plus 20 and 0. So therefore x square plus 12x plus 20, this is also a factor, and this can be equal to 0. When we factorize this one, the middle term splitting, that will be x plus 2 times x plus 10. So from here x is equal to minus 2 minus 10, and earlier we were getting x equal to minus 1 also. Sorry. So these are the three zeros, minus 2, minus 10 and minus 1. This is the way. One of the factor you can figure out using hit and trial. Use that factor to long division, convert it into quadratic and then factorize. I hope this is clear so far. Is this clear to all of you? Senapati, Kohima, Tamenglong, Sisipur, Itanagar. Is this clear? Please give your responses. Okay then, okay. So now you can take a break. Then after the break, we will continue with some more questions. Okay, welcome back students. Now let us start with some questions, new questions. So solve this one. Find roots of equation. So you can use any method, it is a quadratic. Either you can use completing the square, middle term splitting, or the quadratic formula. Any method you can use to find the value for x. That's correct. Itanagar and Tamenglong. Correct answer. Now those who have done the first one, you can try the second one. It says there is a 2-digit number such that the product of its digit is 18, and when 63 is subtracted from that number, the digits get reversed or the digits interchange their places. Find the number. No, Sisipur, your answer is not right. See, you can directly use the best way is the quadratic equation you can use, or you can use the factorization also, because the product is going to be 2a square b square. So you can use the factorization, middle term splitting. You can factorize this one as minus 2ab and minus ab, because on multiplying the term 2ab and ab, you will get 2a square b square, which is the product of the first and the last term. Now you can take ax as common. So we'll get ax minus 2b, and from here we can take minus b as common, so ax minus 2b. So factorization is ax minus b and ax minus 2b equal to 0. So from here x is equal to b upon a, or x is equal to 2b upon a. That is the answer. Got it, Sisipur? Okay then. Now try the second one. Yes, Itanagar, that's correct. Sisipur, the answer is going to be the reversed. Because from this 29 we can't subtract 63. Original number is 92, not 29. That's right now. After this, those who have done the second one, you can try the third one. 2 plus 4 plus n is equal to 420. We have to find the value for n. N is the number, not the term. Like which number will be there in place of n? We'll use the concept of AP. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8. So sum of n terms is going to be 420. So we have to find the value for n. So n by 2, 2a which is 4 plus n minus 1 into d, that is going to be 420. N by 2, this will be 4 plus 2n minus 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 is equal to 420. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, so it will become n times n plus 1. Now is equal to 420. So n square plus n minus 420 is equal to 0. And directly we can see two consecutive numbers we have to take. So it will be n square plus 21n minus 20 n minus 420 equal to 0. So from here we will get the value for n. So n is you can factor this one as n plus 21 and n minus 20. So n is equal to minus 21 or 20. Minus 21 can't be the number of terms. So number of terms is 20. Now after getting the number of terms, this 20 represents there are 20, or we can change the variable a little bit. Let's say this is x. So we have to find x. So right now we have figured out there are 20 terms in this series, right? So x is the 20th term. So we have to find the value for x. So 20th term will be a plus 19d. That will be 2 plus 19 times of 2. That would be 40. So the number in place of x would be 40. This 20 what we are getting over here, it represents the number of terms is 20. That 20th term is x and that is going to be 40. A general question to all the centers. Have you received the videos of the class in your WhatsApp group? Kohima center is asking to all the other center. Have you received the videos of the classes in the WhatsApp group? Give your responses. All the other centers, have you received the videos of the classes in your WhatsApp group? The videos, lecture of the classes, the link of the videos, have you received those videos in your WhatsApp group? Kohima center is asking to all the other centers. No, Kohima, no one has received the videos of the WhatsApp group, on their WhatsApp group. Now try this question. 5 times the 5th term is equal to 8 times the 8th term. So find the 13th term. Kohima, you can get the link of those videos on the sheet. It will be shared with you. The Google sheet. There is a Google sheet for the link of the videos. If it is not being shared, I will talk to the coordinator, they will share it with you. It has all the links of the videos. Yes, Tamenglong, correct answer. A very good question. Other centers, please respond fast. 5 times the 5th term of an AP is equal to 8 times the 8th term. What is the 13th term then? You can solve it in this way. 5 times the 5th term, 5 times A5 is equal to 8 times A8. Only one equation is there. And we have to find the 13th term. 13th term is nothing but A plus 12D. This is the 13th term, so we have to find the value for this. So A5 can be written as A plus 4D, 8 plus 7D. We can simplify this one. 5A plus 20D. So 8A minus 5A. 3A, 56 minus 20. That is 36 is equal to 0. If you take 3S common, so A plus 12D is equal to 0 and A plus 12D is nothing but 13th term. So therefore we can say 13th term is 0. This is the answer. Now try this very good question from the AP. Sum of third and seventh term of AP is 6 and their product is 8. Find sum of first 16 terms of AP. Sum of the third and the seventh term is 6 and their product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 terms of the AP. So basically it is given A3 plus A7 that is equal to 6 and A3 into A7 that is equal to 8. These two conditions are given. So whenever we have to find the sum of any number of terms, we should know A and D. So we have to figure out what is first term and what is the common difference. So to solve this one, A3 plus A7, A3 can be written as A plus 2D plus A plus 6D, that is equal to 6, and this will become 2A plus 8D is equal to 6, A plus 4D is equal to 3, or A is equal to 3 minus 4D. From here, the third and the seventh product a plus 2d into a plus 6d, that is equal to 8. When we multiply, we will get a square plus, or we can substitute a first. Instead of multiplying, we can substitute the value for a from this equation. A is equal to 3 minus 4d. So we can put 3 minus 4d plus 2d and 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 8. This will make our calculation easy. So this will be 3 minus 2d into 3 plus 2d, that is equal to 8. So basically it is a plus b, a minus b. So you can do a square minus b square. So a square 9 minus 4d square is equal to 8. 4d square is equal to 1. D square is equal to 1 by 4. So it implies d is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. So either the common difference can be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. So it means there will be two cases. So we can take the cases when d is plus 1 by 2. So we can get the a as 3 minus 4d. So a is equal to 3 minus 4 times d. That would be equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. So sum of 16 terms is n by 2, 2a plus 15 times of d. So that would be 16 by 2 and 15 by 2 plus 2. So that would become 19 by 2. So it will be 4 and 4, 19 4 times, 76 is the answer for the first case. Similarly, when d is going to be minus 1 by 2, in this case the first term would be changed. So a would be equal to 3 minus 4 times of minus 1 by 2. So that would become 5. So now sum of 16 terms will be n by 2. This 2a means 10 plus 15 times of d, which is minus 1 by 2. So that would become 8 times. This is 10 minus 7.5. So 10 minus 15 by 2 is 7.5. So 10 minus 7.5, it is 2.5. So 8 into 2.5 is nothing but 20. So either the sum of the first 16 term is 20 or 76. That will satisfy this condition. Is this clear to all of you? Are you getting this all? Any doubt in this question? It's a very good question. Kohima, Tamenglong, Itanagar, Sisipur, Senapati. Any doubt? When d is equal to plus 1 by 2, sum of 16 terms. So 16 by 2, a is equal to 1 we are getting. In that case, a is equal to 1 when d is equal to plus 1 by 2. And when we will do the sum of 16 terms, it is n by 2, 2 into a plus n minus 1, 16 minus 1, which is 15 into d. So 2 plus 15 upon 2, which is 19 by 2, and 19 by 2 into 16 by 2, that is 76, not 304. Getting it, Kohima? Okay, that's great. So I hope this question is clear to all of you. Yes, please. This one, Itanagar. This one we have solved for A and D. Is this clear, Itanagar? Any doubt? Okay, that's great. So that's all for today. So we will continue with the new chapter. The chapter name is probability. In the next class, we will start. So till then, if you have any doubt till in whatever chapter we have covered so far, you can ask in the WhatsApp group or you can ask me in the next class. Okay then, bye.